see. Ozzy keeps meowing at me. Hello everyone, welcome to this video. The lighting is crazy right now. Happy New Year. I just got back from a walk to the co-op. Actually, I did a big walk. I walked to the post office and then I walked to the co-op to get some groceries. So maybe I'll show you what I got. Just a couple bags full, and Lewis is doing a big grocery run right now to Trader Joe's. So here's what I got. 2 heads of broccoli. I got a cauliflower. I got some silken tofu. I was thinking I could make a vegan pie or like a vegan pudding with this. It's also good for creamy pasta sauces. This bag is reflecting all this green light in my face. Push that to the side. Okay, what else? I got just egg to make a quiche today. That's what I was boiling potatoes for earlier. I really like just egg, weirdly enough. I think it took me some time to try it because it made me a little nervous. I'm used to more so like tofu scramble and chickpea quiches and stuff like that. I like to make quiche or baked egg pastry things with this rather than doing like an omelet or scrambled eggs because it has a problem sticking to pans really badly. So I also got some jam or jelly, sour cherry. It was on sale. I got some burrito wrappers. I actually didn't even check that it was vegan. It looks good. It looks like it just contains wheat. We haven't made burritos in a while, so that would be fun. I got a big thing of tamari. I've just been using soy sauce from Trader Joe's, but I do prefer this when I'm cooking. I got some Greek yogurt. This is my favorite. It's like the most bougie vegan yogurt. I got tahini hummus. Oh, I got a bar of chocolate, also on sale. And then I got a couple soft pretzels for me and Lewis, because Lewis was mentioning that he was craving soft pretzels, and I know Philly is known for soft pretzels, and these looked really good. They're from a local bakery. So that's what I got today. I'm having a bit of a recovery day from the holidays. Not that I did anything too crazy, I just feel like we had a very busy week, like the week of Christmas and then after Christmas, seeing a lot of friends, and I love seeing friends and that feels great to be social. There is a part of me that needs that outlet, but now I feel like I need to recover from being very social and I need to have lots of alone time and creative time. That's what today is gonna be. I need a bit of a reset. I'm taking a break today from exercising, but I did have my long walk this morning. My plan is to get a bit of painting done. I've been working on this painting that is basically an interpretation of a drawing that I did while I was at my mom's staying over for Christmas. I want to work on that today. In order to finish it, I do need to get like a very teeny tiny brush to do a lot of detail. I can show you what it looks like. Hold on. So this is the painting I'm working on. It's a magic chair, and yeah, I have a lot of work to do. I probably should put a second coat of yellow for the backgrounds. The grass, I'm going to do some blades of grass all over the whole floor. And then I have to do the trees, and all of these symbols on the chair need to be done with a very tiny brush. So today, maybe I can do more of the background, maybe the trees, and maybe fill in the background of the chair and the circle that it's sitting on. We'll see. I'm trying to be easy about myself as far as what I get done today, where the day goes. I'm just kind of tired, and I do need to have a rest day from embroidery. Even though I was stitching a tiny bit this morning, I have been having some wrist and shoulder pains. I think I'm gonna put away my groceries and then maybe get started making my quiche. I have like a pre-made crust from Trader Joe's, like a gluten-free crust. I get those in case I end up baking stuff for my mom because she's gluten-free. I have have an extra one, so I thought I would use it for the quiche. And then I'm gonna put the potatoes, some potatoes in the quiche. And I have some cherry tomatoes from our last grocery shopping that I need to use. And I might put a bit of broccoli in the quiche as well. So I need to find a recipe. Oh, I think one that I've done a lot is by a cooking vlog called Nora Cooks, a just egg quiche. This is very random, but I just remembered. Another thing I have to do today is do a Spanish class. I got a subscription for Rosetta Stone and I'm trying to learn Spanish. I was torn between Spanish, which I've done through middle school and high school, French, which I've done in high school and then college, and then Dutch, which is my mom's native language and I've heard a lot but never learned on my own. As kids we knew it a little bit and it's always been a goal of mine to learn Dutch, so I did get a lifetime subscription to Rosetta Stone. I'm trying to do a language class every day, so I need to do that after I make my quiche. I tried a couple weeks of Spanish, a week of French, and then the beginning day of Dutch learning, and I decided Dutch was really hard for me. I have a hard time with R's generally, and I especially cannot roll my R's. So all three languages are very challenging, but I did decide to go back to Spanish, and that's what I am committing myself to this year. I want to do a lesson every single day. I've only missed one day so far. Yeah, that's been exciting. That's a bit of a New Year's resolution or New Year's goal. That's just generally a life goal of mine, is I want to become bilingual and maybe study or live in another country at some point in my life. When I'm done with my quiche, I'll do a little bit of Spanish class. But okay, I'm on Nora Cooks cooking vlog, which I've made her blueberry scones and they are very good. I've definitely done this vegan quiche recipe before with my own vegetable choices. I just need to know, like with the just egg, it's a 12-ounce bottle. This is 16 ounces. I don't know if I should use the whole thing or if I should do a little less than the whole bottle, since this recipe calls for 12 ounces and this is 16. I might just do the whole thing if it fits in the pie crust. I have to add 2 tablespoons of flour or gluten-free flour, which I do have. Maybe I'll make it gluten-free. And then baking powder and salt or black salt, which I don't have. I'm just gonna do regular salt. So I'm gonna make the egg mixture. The oven has to be preheated to 350. I boiled a lot of potatoes. I'm probably not going to use all of them. I like to just kind of put them on the bottom. Now that I have the potatoes as the bottom base, I'm gonna pour the eggs on. Hopefully it's not too much. And now I'm going to decorate the top with tomatoes. I like to have the cherry tomatoes and then let them kind of sit on top. Maybe I'll skip the broccoli because this looks really cute. I try to add greens when I do stuff like this, like spinach or whatever. Very pretty to just have the tomatoes. And I did pull out some vegan Parmesan from Trader Joe's that I like. Maybe I'll sprinkle some on top. Okay, I'm gonna skip the broccoli and put this in the oven for 35 to 45 minutes. I've been working on this beaded dress for a while, trying to make a reel. It's been taking me forever. It's 1920s inspired beading, and I have some drawings I want to fill in with beads on the back. Yeah, I was a bit ambitious as far as making a reel with this. Hey. Hello again. I think I'm gonna do a face mask and take a bath and end the vlog here. I hope you're having a nice start to your January and the new year, and I will be back with another video soon. Bye.